A leaking kitchen faucet can waste water and increase your bills. The good news is you can fix it yourself. Start by identifying the leak. Turn off the water supply under the sink. This prevents water from flowing during the repair. Place a towel in the sink to catch any drops. Plug the drain so small parts don't fall in. Now locate the screw on the faucet handle. Use a screwdriver to remove the handle. Carefully lift the handle off. Inside, you will find the cartridge or washer. Remove the cartridge gently. Check the washer for damage or wear. A worn-out washer is often the cause of leaks. Replace the old washer with a new one. Apply a small amount of plumber's grease. This helps the parts move smoothly. Insert the cartridge back into place. Make sure it is properly aligned. Reattach the faucet handle. Tighten the screw securely. Now turn the water supply back on. Test the faucet by turning it on. Watch closely for any leaks. If no water is dripping, the repair worked. Fixing a faucet is simple with the right steps. This easy method saves money and time. And now your kitchen faucet works like new.